Hello everyone. Today we're going to be talking about creating a promotional marketing banner for your business, service, or product to be put online. Now, I use Photoshop as my main image and graphic editor, so that's what we're going to be using today. So if you have it, get it out now. Here we are in Photoshop, and I would like to create a banner to be placed online. So we're going to go up to the File button, click New, and then in the dialog box that pops up, create a name for this. In this case, we're going to name it Banner. Now we actually can change the width and height here, and we may actually want to go with pixels if we know the specific pixel width and height that we need this graphic to be. When you change one, the other one will change automatically, and it's actually rather useful. With the banner, you want its width to be a larger number than its height so that it remains in banner form. So we're going to make its width, in this case 600 pixels, and its height will be 360. That's fine. Then just make sure that the resolution is what you would prefer it to be, that your color mode is set to RGB if you're making a simple graphic, and that the background contents is either white if the background of your site is white, or if you want this to mesh with almost any web media, make it transparent. Then hit OK to start creating your banner. Go to the rectangle tool, click that, and then make the actual banner across your image. Now this is going to fill in black because that is the color I had selected in my color picker on the right side. Now on top of that black banner that we've created, we can put whatever text that we'd like. So we're going to go to the text tool, and then we're going to go up to our banner, click and drag a box. You can change this by double-clicking on it and then choosing a different foreground color, such as blue, or in this case green, which hopefully will stand out well against our black background. We hit OK, and then we drag a box to create our text area. Then, within that box, we can click and start to type something. If that font size is not large enough, you can simply highlight the text and make it a larger font size with your font size selection up on top here. Or you can actually just click over here in the layers dialog, click on your text layer, and then go back up to your font size and change the font size globally without having to select all of the text. My name's Anders, and today we talked about creating a banner for your marketing masterpiece. Thanks.